Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply this awesome nebula effects to your videos in CapCut. So here, if you have a video with a dark lighting like this, you can use this effect to make it looks awesome. So first, just add your video to CapCut and click on overlay. Add overlay, then head to the library here, or stock videos, and here find the atmosphere category and then scroll down until you find this nebula video. From the stock videos, click on the video, click on add. Now adjust the size until it covers the main clip. Go to splice, then select the filter option here. Just adjust the opacity to your liking. I'm going to go with 35. Click on the check icon now, and that's it. So this will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.